Hello students, welcome to the channel. If you're visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So many students in the comment section were inquiring about the PUC revaluation results. As you know, the last date for the application of the scanned copy was around 16 July, and the last date for the revaluation, applying for the revaluation, was around 19 to 20 July. So every year the revaluation result it comes after the last date, 15 days after the last date of the applying revaluation. So you may get your PUC revaluation results at the end of the August first week. Okay, so you may get it at the end of the August first week. So whenever we get an update from the PUE about the revaluation results date and timing, we will inform you as soon as possible. So you keep the channel subscribed. So yeah, till this video, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.